Let's look at page 31, quiz question number 2. Y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now if I looked at this question, I was trying to think if there was any way I could get it into intercept form. So I had 2x, x, 5, and 3. Well, if I looked at my inner terms there, I'd get 3x. If I look at my outer terms there, I'm going to get 10x. But that doesn't give me 8, so that doesn't work. Scrap that. And then if I tried 2x and then moved the 5 here and the 3 here, that was going to give me 5x. And that would give me 6x. And that didn't work either because that's going to give me 11x. So scrap that. We can't get it into intercept form. So let's look at figuring out our x value. X equals a negative b over 2a. We know our b value is 8, so we're going to have a negative 8 over 2 times 2. So that's going to give us a negative 8 over 4, which gives us a negative 2. So now we can figure out our table of values. Actually, I think I'll move it up here. So if we have x and y, we know our center point is negative 2. So pick a negative 1 and 0, and then, actually it should be the other way around, but a negative 3 and a negative 4. So if I look at a negative 2, if I plug that through my function, 2 times a negative 2 squared plus 8 times a negative 2 plus 15. That's going to give me 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 16 plus 15. So that's going to give me a negative 1 plus 8 would be 7. If I find x of a negative 1, we're going to take 2 times a negative 1 squared, 8 times a negative 1 plus 15. That's going to give me 1 times 2 is 2 minus 8 plus 15. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 15 is 9. We're going to have a 9 there and there. And then if I plug a 0 in, 2 times 0 squared plus 8 times 0 plus 15. Well, those zeros, they just kind of go away, and then we're going to get 15 as our value. So if I look at this, my x's are mostly negative, and my y values are positive. So I'm going to have a graph that looks like this. I'm going to go over to 1, negative 2, and go up to, and I'm just going to call it 7. So we have a negative 2, 7, and then 8, 9. So at a negative 1, we're going up to 9. At a negative 3, we're going up to 9. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 0, 15. Or at negative 3, 15. So we have that part going out that way. We have this one headed out that way. We have an axis of symmetry here. That point. And then this is our vertex. Have a great day. Bye-bye.